Hello everyone, in this short video I would like to highlight a major issue that I found with the Panzer IV F-1 kit from Border. As we can see over here on the original turret that was used for me for some experiments, there is additional step symbolizing an additional armor plate installed at the turret roof that is very difficult to correct. The F1 turrets did not have this top armor reinforcements, they were installed later. The sand color turret is apart from the RFM AUX G, and maybe over here the step is better visible. This is the comparison of the part that is in the F2 and the RFM AUX G. You can clearly see that on the F2 you don't have the step. The F2 set has the correct turret without the reinforcement. Therefore, if you want to build a correct F1 or F2 version of the tank, please buy the F2 kit instead. Of course you can ignore this problem, but for me I would see this wrong thing every time when I would look at the model and I would be frustrated. Maybe other option what you can do is to build the tank as an early G version, but this will require some other changes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.